But this car was very stolen.
Yeah, but he stole it.
Stealing from a thief, Jack didn't feel guilty at all.
Hey, excuse me, can you hold that for a second?
Sure.
Thanks.
Just so he could lie down and rest, he actually climbed onto a store shelf and went to sleep. Watching this bizarre behavior, I was completely shocked. And at that moment, I had no idea that this man would completely change my life. That night, he stayed up late, reading something on my tablet, and I noticed.
Heather?
Nice to meet you, Heather.
I brushed him off and didn't say much more. The next day, my friends and I arrived at our destination, but Jack came over on his own and overheard our travel plans. That same night, I saw that familiar face again in the bar. Surprised, I couldn't help but wonder how it could be such a coincidence. For what he was thinking, I already had a rough idea. I wouldn't say I liked him, but I didn't dislike him either, so I accepted his invitation for a walk. That's when a building came into view, and Jack suddenly stopped.